Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator Divya Miss. Children, yesterday we learned how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Today we will do some more exercise on it. Open page number 35 in your maths textbook. Let's read the heading first. Reorder the numbers from smallest to biggest. Children, remember na? Smallest to biggest. It is called ascending order. We will start with the smallest numbers. 1, 3, 19, 8, 18. Which one is the smallest number, children? 1. Then 3. After 3, 8. After 8, 18. And then after 19. It is called ascending order. Smallest to biggest. 13, 5, 14, 17, 11. Children, find the smallest number first. 5 is the smallest number. So, we will write 5 first. 5, then 11, then 13, then 14, and then 17. Write the following in ascending order. Children, same exercise. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. We will arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. We will start with the smallest number. Here 9 is the smallest number. So we will write down 9 first. After 9, which number will come, children? 16. Very good. After 16, 18. After 18, 19. And after 19, 21. Here we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. It is called ascending order. Children, remember, climbing up the stairs. We will climb up the stairs. We will start with the smallest number. 5, 25, 15, 35, 45. Which one is the smallest number, children? 5. After 5, we will write down 15. After 15, 25. Then 35. And last 45. Very good, children. 11, 16, 31, 43, 28. Who's going to tell me which number will come first? Smallest number is 18. It will come first. 11. 16. After 16, 28. After 28, 31. And after 31, 43. (25), 36, 18, 47, 50. Children, which number will come first? 18. After 18, 25. After 25, 36. After 36, 47. And 50. Children, do some more and more exercise in ascending order. Turn the page. Page number 36. We arrange the number in ascending order. Now we will arrange the numbers in descending order. Reorder the numbers from biggest to smallest. Children, to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest is called descending order. 43, 25, 15, 33, 48, 28. Here 48 is the biggest number. It is written biggest number is 48. So we will start with the 48. 48 is written. After 48, 43. After 43, 33. After 33, 25. After 25, 20. And 15 is the smallest number. Write the following in descending order. Descending order, that means biggest to smallest. We will start with the biggest number. Children, 17, 13, 18, 12 and 21. Find the biggest number. So here 27 is the biggest number. So 27. After 27, 21. After 21, 18. After 18, 13. And after 13, 12. 12 is the smallest number. We will start with the biggest number and here 12 is the smallest number. Biggest to smallest. It is called descending order. 7, 5, 12, 11, 36. Children, what comes first? Biggest number. Here find the biggest number. 36 is the biggest number. Write it first. After 36, 12. After 12, 11. After 11, 7. And 5 is the smallest number. "23, 39, 47, 26, 30. Children, find the biggest number. So here 47 is the biggest number. 47. After 47, 39. After 39, 30. After 30, 26. And after 26, 23. Very good, children. Now let's come on page number 37. Children, count and write the numbers of objects in each group. You will count the objects in both groups, write down the number and then color. Color the group which has the largest number of objects. You will color whole the group which has largest number of objects. Here the same exercise. Count and write the number of objects in each group. You will count how many stars are there and how many balloons are there. You will write down the number and then you will color the group which has the smallest number of objects. Here you will color the largest number of objects and here you will color the smallest number of objects. Children, it is in your homework. Complete it by your own.